Hello, I'm Matteo, and what we're going to unbox today on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel is the Neewer Smartphone Video Kit. This is a kit for turning your smartphone into a camera rig. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, the packaging's interesting. It's not a rectangular box. My feeling is that there's more than just one box within the bag, that this was delivered in from Amazon. So let's cut into the bag and see what's actually there. Now I keep on promising myself that I'll be doing more vlogging for the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel rather than just unboxing videos and phone reviews and so on. But to do that, you probably need a bit of kit to make it easier and simpler. So as you can see, within the bag there's two cardboard boxes, one with Neewer branding on it, the other one without. Let's see what's in the one without the Neewer branding. So in here we have a monopod and some documentation. Just open up that and get the documentation out. So here we have Neewer Pro Quality Amateur prices, bit of details, not really interested in that. And in the other box, this is the more exciting one. Once we take out the desiccant gel, same Neewer leaflet, some actual information on the microphone itself. So this is a cardioid microphone. And let's start with the monopod then. So the monopod is one that has a smartphone clip. So this is a mount, and this can either be used as a monopod or as a tripod. As you can see, it has 3 sticks. It works, and I'm going to try this out both with the iPhone 11 and with the Huawei P40. These are the two smartphones I'm going to be using for video for the foreseeable future. So, yep, it works well. As you can see, the Neewer clip works well with the iPhone 11. Let's try the Huawei P40. There you go, and it's adjustable. So, as far as fit goes, very simple, very easy. And I like the fact that it is a tripod as well as a monopod, and it has an infinitely adjustable spherical bit here. So how does that work? Do I pull? Do I push? Ah, right, okay, so that's a screw. Okay, there is nothing there specifically for that. But the important thing to bear in mind with this phone stand is that it has a hot shoe attachment here. So it has an attachment for what the microphone will attach to, or if you prefer and you're not going to be focusing on the audio, you can use the lighting attachments that are obviously not part of the kit. So if you have an external LED light, that will work. So let's put this aside for now. What is in the box? So you see this is a microphone attachment. This is the anti-shock or shock absorber mount for the microphone. The cardioid microphone itself, which can be attached to the shock mount. And a little windbreaker for the microphone itself. So we'll put the windbreaker on. And then in here, there's the proper wind muffler, the Hairy Beast one, which is another good way to get audio, especially when you're outdoors, to stop the wind effect that you often get in video. It is quite a big hairy one. It makes your microphone look like a bit of a troll, but there you go. And then here we have a few cables. So there is a straightforward 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable. One end goes into the back of the microphone, and the other end will go into your smartphone. But as we just saw with the iPhone 11 and the Huawei P40, there is no 3.5mm audio jack. This kit from Amazon does not include an adapter for a 3.5mm audio jack. So you will need to buy a separate, if you don't already have one, adapter for Lightning to 3.5mm for the iPhone 11 or the iPhone device you're using, or a USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter for your smartphone device. Now, if you're using a Huawei device, Huawei's solution means that you don't need an expensive one with a DAC included, because it does Type-C to 3.5mm gets done on the phone. Whereas if you're using something like the Google Pixel 4 XL, you will need one of these, which is more expensive. They're about between £10 and £20, but they have a DAC, they have a chip in here that does the clever audio stuff from USB Type-C. Whereas Huawei and Xiaomi have that built into their smartphones. So you'll need one of these to plug into the adapter and then the smartphone so that you can start recording audio using the microphone. Right then, so let's have a look at this. This is the microphone adapter. How does this go in? Here we are. So you screw it up, and then it slips into the hot shoe adapter, and then you screw it tight so that it's in place. There we go. So that's in place. I'll attach the microphone facing forward, attach the cable with the Type-C adapter, and pop my Huawei P40 in here and attach the audio accessory. So this should work with recording audio on your smartphone. And as you can see, the microphone is here. It has a good cardioid microphone, which we'll try out. We'll be publishing a sample video of this in the coming days on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, and I'll be testing it out both outdoors and indoors. I do live in Scotland, so the likelihood of the need of the extremely hairy microphone protector is high. So there we go. I'm afraid this is not a very good view of the setup because of the camera positioning here, but let me assure you it does a good job as a tripod and as a microphone holder. But for now, thanks for watching this video. We will be providing sample videos taken with the Huawei P40 and with the iPhone 11 with the newer microphone kit, smartphone video kit. And if you'd like to ask any questions or give us any feedback, leave us a comment in the comment section. If not, just give us a subscription. Thank you for watching, and goodbye from us.